Allie, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my September favorites. This month has flown by, and I have a ton of random things to show you, and as always, all the products mentioned in this video will be listed down below in case you're interested in purchasing any of them. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, I want to start off with something that I'm wearing, just so I don't forget, and my first favorite has been this star choker. I've seen these everywhere. I've seen them on Instagram, Facebook, you name it. Everyone has them, and I could never find them in stores, so I literally went on Amazon, and I think I paid $4 or $5 for this one, and I will leave it down below for you guys. I just think it is so cute, and I'm now on trend with everyone else. And I did go with gold because I tend to wear a lot more gold jewelry than silver jewelry. Next up is a cleaning product I have been using a ton, and this is just the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and this one is in the scent Clementine, and I'm actually on my second bottle of this because I've used it over the past couple months. And this is a great cleaner. It has non-toxic plant-based power green technology. It cuts grease and grime, and you can pretty much use it on anything. Not to mention the fact that it smells amazing. And I actually have a cleaning routine featuring this coming out for you guys next week, so get excited for that. I've also been absolutely loving this cute little dish. I couldn't pass it up. I think it has the cutest pattern on it. It is just a floral pattern with blues, tans, purples, and white, and I just think it is so cute. And it also came with this wooden lid, and this is where I have been storing all of my Fitbit stuff, including my Fitbit when I'm not wearing it. And I just think it is such a little cute container, and it sits over on my nightstand. Speaking of my Fitbit, I have been absolutely loving this little case I have for it. I got this off Amazon, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but there is a little protector on my actual Fitbit, just so that the screen doesn't get scratched up or anything. Also, I do wear it on my left hand and have my Cape Cod bracelet, and I was afraid that the ball of the bracelet would knock on the side of the Fitbit and get it all dinged up. So I did go ahead and buy one of these, and I'm so happy that I did, because everyone else who I see who doesn't have one of these, their screens are like all scratched up and scuffed up and stuff, but mine is 100% fully protected. My next three favorites are all in one right here, and it all has to do with my GoPro. I can't remember if I featured my GoPro last month. I'm pretty sure I did, but don't quote me on that. But I'm gonna include it again because I've been using it all month. And get ready for Monday because I have a really exciting announcement for you guys. And it includes my GoPro, but my GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition has definitely been a favorite this month. But along with that, two other favorites of mine this month have been the case I have for it, as well as the monopod, both of which came from Amazon. As you guys can see, I just have this pink silicone case around it. I just wanted to get a case so it has extra protection because GoPros are not cheap. And then to go along with that, I did get a monopod because it's a lot easier to hold a monopod and film than it is to just hold the GoPro. And like I said, this one's from Amazon, and it just has a pink bottom, and it has a wrist strap, which is nice. I've also been loving this. This is just the new Biore Baking Soda Micellar Cleansing Water, and I really liked the Garnier Fructis Micellar Water, and I wanted to try another one, so I went with this one because it's supposed to be good for combination skin, which I do have. I have acne, I have oily skin, and then some patches are dry, and I loved it so much that I literally went through it super fast through the month. So I did just go ahead and repurchase it, and I'm on my second bottle. It doesn't dry your skin out. It removes almost all your makeup. I do go ahead and go in with a makeup wipe after I use this just to ensure everything is off, but this does do a fantastic job of getting your makeup off. I don't think I've included a food or drink favorite in quite a while. However, I do have one now, and it is this cold brew coffee. This is just the stock or Stoke cold brew coffee, and this one is the chocolate black one. This one is my all-time favorite, but I also really like just the cold brew one that's the not too sweet one. And this is brewed low and slow for 10 hours. And this is probably the most affordable cold brew that I've ever found. I believe I only paid $3.99 for this, and it comes with 48 fluid ounces and lasts me an entire week, which is nice. I also like that it is in fact a cold brew because it means it is a lot stronger than normal coffee. And lastly, I got a new pair of glasses, and this is just what they look like. They're super dirty. Let me clean them off first. These are from Firmoo. I've been ordering my glasses from Firmoo for the longest time now, over a year probably, and I'm one of those people that likes to get glasses every season, so these are the ones I picked out for the fall. I did a video with them this past summer, summer, showing what I got for the summer. But these are the ones I picked for the fall. I think they're adorable. And the great thing about Firmoo is that they are cheap enough that you can get them every season and not pay an arm and a leg for them. And I will have the exact frames listed in the description box for you guys. And what's great is that right now, Firmoo is doing a deal where if you buy a pair of glasses, you get a pair free. They have a ton to choose from, and most, if not all of their glasses are under $30, which is nice. I absolutely love them. I totally stand by the quality of them. I think they are great, especially if you're looking for affordable glasses that you don't have to worry about. And overall, I just think they're super cute and I love them. And again, I'll have the link below for you guys to go use. You do get a pair free with your purchase. And what's great is that they walk you through the entire process of getting glasses, from measuring your pupillary distance to measuring your face, making sure you get the right prescription and stuff like that. So I highly recommend going and checking them out.
So that is the end of the video. I have no idea where my outro went, so I'm using Photo Booth. And no, I am not trying to be like Emma Chamberlain, but I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. Literally, the outro just disappeared. So those are my favorites for the month of September. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your favorite for the month is. While you guys are down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see new videos from me each week and become part of the Allie Packer squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!